Welcome back to ISO 20000 Awareness Training Series. In this episode number 4, we will focus on the core IT service management process that outlined in the ISO 20000 standards. As you know, these processes are the heartbeat of any successful IT service management implementation, and when they function well, IT services are stable, efficient, secure, and aligned with business goals. Let's explore how these processes translate into real-world IT. In the service portfolio management, aligning the IT services with business needs, we have three components, which are service pipeline, service catalog, retired services. Service pipeline contains the new or upcoming IT services. Service catalog contains live and available IT services for customers to consume. Retired or it contains the obsolete IT services or phased out IT services. And the purpose of portfolio management is to ensure that the IT investments support business strategy and support customer needs and support market trends. And the service level management, we are defining the service level agreements and measure these or measure the KPIs identified in the service level agreements. The key activities in service level management is to define the service level agreement requirements such as system uptime, response time, and the resolution time, of course, monitoring and reporting service performance, conducting service reviews with customers, and implementing the service improvement plans. The purpose of service level management is to enhance customer satisfaction and ensure that IT services will meet business expectations. We have also incident and the problem management, which is very critical and core processes to ensure the service continuity. If we are defining the incident management is focusing on restoring IT services as quickly as possible when an issue occurs. The key steps in incident management, the first step is to log and categorize the incident, prioritize it, and escalate if necessary. If we didn't get the response time already documented in the service level agreement, we also take the necessary steps to resolve the incident and recover the service, then close and report the incident. Now we need to define what is the problem management. Key activities in the problem management will include the root cause analysis, RCA, the workarounds and known error database, KDB, and proactive problem prevention. The purpose of problem management process is to minimize the service downtime, improve IT stability by proactively managing IT issues. In the change and release management, we are managing the IT services changed effectively. What is the change management? Change management is the process that will ensure that any modifications will be applied to the IT services, will be planned, approved, and implemented in a controlled manner to minimize the risks and service disruptions. The changes are three main types, such as standard changes, which is routine changes and don't need any approval. Emergency change, such as fixing critical situations and applying critical patches such as security patches. Normal changes, which is a planned modifications, and this will require an approval from the change advisory board, the CAP committee that we will talk about it later. What is the release management? Release management will ensure that your new IT services or its related updates will be successfully tested and deployed into the production environment. We have also the key activities of release management is you need to plan, schedule the release, test, and deploy. Then after you deployed it, you need to make a review, which is called post-implementation review. And the purpose is to have a smooth implementation for IT changes, reduce the risks, and improve the service stability. The availability and the capacity management will ensure that you have the optimum IT performance to meet the customer requirements and service demands. The availability management process will focus on the system uptime and reliability, high availability, disaster recovery strategies, monitoring the service performance. The capacity management will ensure that the IT resources, such as hardware, software, network, are sufficient to meet the current and future demands. Usually, we are launching the capacity management planning in the last quarter of the year to be ready for the next year requirements. The activities that will be performed during the capacity planning is to ensure IT infrastructure will meet the gross requirements. In the performance monitoring, we will analyze the resource usage trends, and in demand management, we are balancing workloads to prevent over utilization. And the purpose of the capacity management is to ensure that the IT services remain reliable, scalable, and responsive to the business needs. Asset and configuration management will help you to control your IT assets and its related configuration, and will focus on tracking and managing IT assets, including your hardware, software licenses through their life cycles. The key activities will be inventory management to keep records of all IT assets, lifecycle management to manage the asset procurement, usage, and disposal. Software license compliance will ensure the legal software usage. What is the configuration management? That will ensure that the IT sources and infrastructure are documented and maintained in the configuration management database, CMDB. The key configuration activities is to track the changes to IT components, maintain accurate documentation, and prevent unauthorized modifications. And the main purpose is to ensure that the IT assets are properly managed and secure. And also, we are trying to reduce the risks related to the unauthorized changes or asset misarrangement. Regarding the information security management, which is help in protecting our IT sources and data, and the organization reputation, which is the very critical issue or very critical key for each organization to gain the customer trust in their own sources. So information security management is the process that ensures that your IT sources and data are well protected against threats and maintain confidentiality, integrity, and availability of your services. The key security controls is the access control and identity management to restrict unauthorized access, the data encryption and backup that will help you to protect your sensitive data, and will provide you the ability to restore the data after experiencing any damage or attack on your organization. You can follow us on the iProtect program to know the importance of having a backup or have a backup policy and a strategy for protecting your digital identity. Threat monitoring and response will help you in detecting and mitigating cybersecurity risks. The compliance with security standards such as GDPR, NIST, ISO 20007, 001, and other local regulations. So the purpose of information security management is to reduce security risks, ensure business continuity, protect your organization reputation, and protect the IT assets from cyber threats. We have this table is summarizing the key IT service management processes in ISO 20000. We started with the service portfolio management that will align the IT services with business needs and ensure the IT investment drive business value. We also represented or demonstrated the service level management, which defines and monitor the service level agreements and help the service providers to improve customer satisfaction, incident and problem management will help us to resolve issues and prevent recurrences and ensure service continuity and reduce downtime. The objective of the change and release management processes is to implement the IT changes effectively, and it will help us to minimize risks and disruptions. Availability and capacity management performance. The key benefits will ensure that the IT meets business demands. The asset and configuration management process, its objective is to manage IT assets and system configurations, and the key benefits from these processes is to improve IT visibility and reduce risks. The information security management process will help to in protecting IT sources and data, and the key benefits and its key benefits is to ensure confidentiality and integrity and compliance with local regulations. Or we reached the end of this session. To summarize, the IT service management processes in ISO 20000 provide the operational backbone for any IT department. These processes bring structure, consistency, transparency, and most importantly, they ensure IT delivers value to the business, not just a technology. Next time, we'll move into the implementation journey of ISO 20000, including gap analysis, planning, and execution strategies. Okay, thank you for your attention, and let's continue building service culture that drive results. Thank you again, and waiting for you in the next episode. Thank you very much, and goodbye.